Hi everyone, welcome in today's video I'll be showing you how I make my rice fufu. So I get my rice, then I add a little bit of salt to wash it. You see the way I washed it? Make sure you wash your own rice very well. So on this stage you have to wash your rice very well because it's very important for you to wash the rice due to the preservative they use in preserving the rice. Okay, so this is how I wash mine. And I keep washing and raising it until that white water becomes clean. Still on the process of washing the rice. So as we are still washing this rice, let me tell you my story behind this. So today I wanted to eat swallow, but I do not want to eat eba, neither amala or semo. So I decided to make this rice fufu because I have this particular rice at home for some time now because I do not like the rice the way it used to, the outcome of it after cooking it. I decided to just abandon it. So it just come to my mind and I said, since I have this rice, let me try something new. So I decided to make this rice fufu. That's how I took the rice, then I washed, then I started the preparation. So as you can see, this is the final stage of washing the rice. You can see the water is very clean now. You see how clean is the water. So now I decided to boil it for some time for it to soft before I can blend it. Because I was supposed to soak it for like few hours, but I cannot wait for that. So I decided to boil the rice. And now this is the blending stage. So after blending, so this is my pan. I added a little bit of groundnut oil, then I turn the blended rice into my pan. See the way I turn it inside, then I started stirring it. So guys, if you watched to this extent, please do well by hitting the subscribe button and like this video, okay? So that's how I keep stirring it. Just keep stirring it. This video is very long, so I have to fast forward it. So you can see it's becoming thicker. So guys, if you're a lover of swallow, I urge you to try this. You're gonna like it. So just keep stirring it, keep stirring it. You see it's getting thicker. This is very nice. It's looking nice already. You see it's boiling. Of turning it, you leave it for a little bit of time to boil. Then after some time you come back and turn it. Possible you can also cover it, because I covered it. I have to cut some parts out of the video because the video was a bit too long. So you keep stirring it. You see it's getting thicker. Like I said, if you are a lover of swallow, you have to try this recipe. It's very nice. So this is how I keep stirring it. I know some of you will say, there's a lot of stress in preparing this, but guys, do not look at the stress. You will love it if you try this. It's getting thicker and you see the color is changing a bit. It was white, now the color is changing a little bit. So guys, this is how I keep stirring it until it gets thick, as you can see. Please guys, once again, if you know you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well by hitting on that subscribe button. So this is the final stage of the fufu, rice fufu actually. You see, it's thicker, getting thicker. You see how nice it's looking. Guys, just try this. You're gonna love it. You will like it. Just try this, okay? This is the final stage. My swallow is ready. This my rice fufu is ready, and I added my egusi soup. This is very nice and delicious, guys. Try this and thank me later. Bye bye.